All right, guys, welcome back to Chill Fitness. We're back at the top at Burnett's Mound, and we're gonna go ahead and follow this trail on out. We did the which one is this again? I keep forgetting, the South Summit Trail. So now we're gonna do the Sunset Trail. So we're headed out right now. Let's get it. All right, we're gonna turn this down a little bit. I feel like listening to Drake right now. All right. So here we go. We got two trails. So basically, we'll take the Sunset Trail. We'll go this way, and we should come back up this way, and then we'll head on out. Okay? We got this way, and that way. We should come out over there. So let's get it in. Walking the Sunset Trail at sunset on Saturday. All right. I don't know if y'all noticed them. That couple walking up here. See, this is a nice trail to go on for a couple who just want to hang out and kind of just want to, you know, you ain't got to go to a goddamn restaurant, fucking movie and all that stuff to have a good time. You know? Shit, sometimes something like this is better than Netflix and chilling. Well, at least it's a good warm-up till you get to that point. Go for a walk and talk. That's how you get to know people. Spending money is no way of getting to know somebody. As a matter of fact, spending money is the opposite of getting to know somebody, because then the only thing they know about of you is, you know, your finances. But you as a person, they give a shit about that. You know? That's just my take on it, but whatever. All right. We're getting everything today. That's better than sitting at home. Can't stress that enough. All right. Here we go. It's weird that it comes up here and then it take us back this way. I expected it to go around that way and then go around that way. So this is throwing me off a little bit. Oh, just imagine right here, man. Jesus. Yeah. You ride your bike on this, you're gonna have some leg muscles. We're getting it in today, aren't we? If you guys are still with me. But if I was interested in trails, I'd be checking it out. Seeing what's up there and what it looks like. But that's me. It can be different sometimes, so. I hate having a camera that I can't see how the footage is coming out. You know what I mean? Because when I record like this, it's flat on my chest, and do have another device I could have used. It allows me to see a little bit better, but I like you guys being able to see my hands. The other one was cool. I guess I could have used it. I have it on me, but I'm not gonna put it on right now. We're good. We got some commercials playing. They did have some music playing, but I wasn't feeling it. There's this video that this guy in Japan records where he walks the street of like Okinawa and different stuff like that. And I'll be watching that stuff. I find it soothing. Like at night, you know? All right, so what we got? So that's the South Trail Summit. Oh, this is where we came. Okay, so that's not where we're going. We're taking the sunset. So we're headed that way. Guess y'all can't see that. All right, we came from that direction. We're going this way. We wanted to take the south back out. We want to take the south. We go back up that way. Or we're going to go this way. Oh, yeah. Fresh smell of trees and moss and grass. Now look. Hey niggas, how the hell we gonna have two different things? What's over here? Okay. So this is a trail, leaves, and looks like it goes that way. So basically it's just another off trail of this trail, because it comes around. So it'll go around this way, what I see. And then it meets right here. This one. See that? There you go. So we could have walked that all the way around. But there you go. That's the side. Oh, they're playing Kendrick like a motherfucker. What you guys think about all this walking? All these trails and different turns and stuff you can go to. I think it's kind of cool. It'd be neat if these were trolley rides, though. Like they had like little carts. And no, I mean, it's good to walk, but it'd be cool if they had like another one for people who didn't want to walk out to the side, you know? That would be kind of cool. Oh, looks like we buy some houses. Let's see. Oh, here we go. We're gonna hear some old school joints. Look, I done slowed down. Look at me. I'm just chilling now. Well, I do feel a little comfortable. We got most of this footage done. We covered this whole mound, which is awesome. Some more content for you guys to absorb. All right. I'm just waiting for the music to kick in. K-Day always takes forever. It takes like 2 minutes for it to activate. And then the first thing it starts off with is commercials. There we go. Look, right off the rip. Commercial. All right. At least we got some sounds. I might add some music when I edit it later, so don't be so drawn out. You guys just watching me walk. Sometimes it's better to have something to listen to and follow along. Especially just something like this, you know, just walking and stuff. Oh, here we go. Check it out. All right. All right. We listening, right? All right. Have you noticed if you have noticed the music change because I had to change batteries? Oh man, I can get with this. All right. Look like we at the end of this one. Sunset is sunset, y'all. Beautiful sunset. Look at that. Gorgeous. All right. Let's head on up. I'll turn it up because I'm going uphill. And all right, guys. We already did that. This is the one. Right here. That's it, y'all. Look at these girls. Y'all doing some TikTok videos? Oh yeah? I just on my way down. I seen y'all coming over here and I thought I'd come over here and mess with you guys. Yeah. I'll be careful on that, girls. I seen y'all from over there. I'm like, man, everybody be careful. All right, well, it's nice to meet you guys. I wish I had one of my business cards because I make YouTube channels. I'm making a video and I'm covering the whole Burnett's Mountain. So far I done did that trail, but the North Summit, I did the South Summit, Sunset, and then the Green Trail. So I done walked this whole thing. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here doing this for people because I got friends that, you know, might want to come out here, and so I make this for them so they can. You guys are gonna be in there, so damn. Say hi to everybody.
Hi guys.
All right, God. Here, let me help you find my channel real quick.
You can just write down the name.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, what's the name? Save it.
Go to YouTube.
You can type in like the name.
Oh, okay.
So that if we go home, we like.
Okay. So look, it'll be Chill TV, Chill TV 2, and Chill TV 3.
Okay.
Okay, that'll be me, and then you'll see my videos on my Facebook page. Okay.
Yes.
All right, girls. What's your names?
I'm Genevieve.
Genevieve. That's a beautiful name. What are you? What's your name? You are you? Okay. All right. You kind of got that accent maybe because y'all been, you know how things rub off.
Yeah.
All right, girls. I'll see y'all later. Nice to meet you. Bye. All right, guys. All right, so now we're gonna head on down this way and finish this video out. right. So I guess, let's see. Oh, look. So what we'll do, because that's the road. So what I'm taking is that we'll take this on out that way. So let's get back on the trail. All right. So we did south, we did sunset. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and head on down and call it a day, and we're done. Oh, well, you know what? Let's go ahead and wrap it up with the sunset. And I'm gonna do that over here so you can see the sign. Then we'll wrap it up. Then I'll walk on out so you can see the sunset. All right. All right, guys. Sunset Trail out. Chill Fitness. We're out of here. Thanks for watching, guys. All right. Now we're gonna head on back. Start walking down this trail. Wrap it up. This part I might speed up. Here we go, guys. That is the full and complete walking tour of the Azura Trails at Skyline Park. I appreciate you guys joining me, like I said before. And that's it for this video. All right, guys. Chill Fitness. We out.